Hello everyone and welcome back to the Unplug to Grow channel. If you're planning to stay longer in Canada, renewing your visa is a crucial step if you plan to travel. While your legal stay in Canada is typically determined by your study or work permit, your visa ensures that you can enter Canada if you plan to travel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the process of renewing your Canadian visa, so let's get started. Step 1. Prepare your documents. You will need several documents to complete your application. Here's the list of required documents for your visa renewal. IMM 5257 form, recent academic transcripts, current Canadian study or work permit, proof of enrollment from your university or college, valid passport, proof of financial resources, and photography as per Canadian visa specifications. Step 3. Complete your application online. Now, let's move on to the most important part, completing your application online. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to apply directly through the IRCC, Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada website. And now that you learned how to create your application online, let's get into step 4. The fee to renew your visa will be generated online in the Control Documents list once you complete your application. The portal will show the exact fee amount based on your situation. Be sure to make the payment when prompted in the system. Payment is typically made online through the same IRCC portal before you get the button to submit your application. Step 5. Wait for the decision. Once you've submitted your application, all you need to do is wait for a decision. The processing time can vary, but you can track your application status online. It's recommended to apply well in advance to avoid any last-minute issues. Step 6. Receive your approval and passport request. If your application is approved, you will receive a notification asking you to send your passport for visa stamping. Make sure to follow the instructions provided in the letter and send your passport as soon as possible to avoid delays. And that's it. You've now learned the essential steps for renewing your Canadian visa. It's always best to stay informed and plan ahead to ensure that everything goes smoothly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with anyone who might benefit from this guide. Leave any questions you have in the comments down below or any subject you want me to talk about, and see you in the next one.